Bonjour. Taking that deep breath. Calming the nervous system with the breath. For so many people, this is fundamental. May not be for you, but it's so proximate, it's so near. We don't have to do anything or think about anything. We just take a conscious breath. In and out, centering with all our relations, feeling the power that is present here and now. And this is the platform for thinking, meaning we're grounded, we're in our bodies, we're in our breath. We've taken the sacred pause so that we can think more clearly, listen better, speak more effectively from this. It's a power place. It's our natural place. So I want to challenge y'all who are interested in things like vision quests to not worry about doing the kind of 4-day intensive classic vision quest that I do annually, but find a place in nature that you can make a medicine day. If you can stay over a night, that's great. For those of you in the city, hey, why not go to the park? I'm serious about this because nature's everywhere. And I'm gonna put a cheat sheet. I call it a nature awareness cheat sheet. And it helps guide your mind in the beginning, instead of just going all over the place and making it a thinking retreat. This guides your mind to get more intimate with the natural world, and to move closer to this seamless oneness, this zero separation place that I've talked about many, many times, where we go out there and we look at the plants and the animals and the stones, and we look for relationship tracks, relationships, patterns in nature of different plant communities, fungi communities, different insects, aware that we're aware. How to, just let feelings arise and pass. All of these like notes for allowing nature to get in past our resistance. There's a whole list. I can't really remember it, and there's more than I want to go into at the moment. Just want you to look at the list and go out there in nature. When I say out there in nature, beautiful hawk, you can pretty much do this anywhere. The idea is to take your medicine day and, walk, medicine walk, and then sit in a spot and stay there and go deep. And so this cheat sheet that you'll see down at the bottom kind of will let you know what to look out for. And, if you have more questions about how to do this, a little bitty guidance, just put the questions in the comments. So, this is a really beautiful nature connecting practice, spirit connecting practice, same thing ultimately, that's more than the sit spot, the place where I hope you're going on a regular basis. Like, this is where you make your stand. I'm laughing because, yeah, we can make our stand at any moment. It doesn't have to look big and grandiose. Signing out for now. Thanks for listening. It's a beautiful day.